What's up, everybody? So what I wanted to do, just kind of run you all through some information on how to get through the first shower after a pilonidal cyst surgery. A lot of times the most stressful thing after a pilonidal cyst removal is figuring out how to get that first shower out of the way. That's difficult because depending on what kind of surgery you had, you might have an open wound back there or some stitches, and all of that just is something to deal with, right? You're not sure if you can get it wet or any of that stuff. So I'm just going to give some information, and hopefully with that it'll help you some. So when it comes to showering after your surgery, the first thing you want to do is wait about 24 hours. That's usually the recommendation I've gotten from doctors. That'll give you enough time to kind of just recuperate from the whole process of having it removed. So after you've gotten some rest, you can just go into the shower, prep some stuff ahead of time. You want to make sure you have a towel, replacement gauze if you need to put some of that on there, and some scissors in case you need to cut any gauze, and of course a trash can to throw away the bloody mess that's going to come out of there. So once you have all of that set, the next thing is to basically get naked, remove any gauze that you might have inside an open wound if you got one of those procedures. And once your wound is basically ready to go, open, you get into the shower. You try to take it with some hot water because that really helps with killing bacteria. And then don't be worried about getting the water into the wound or soap into the wound. It's perfectly fine to do that. It actually might help, to just kind of clean out the area. But you shouldn't just, if you have an open wound, grab the shower nozzle and just spray it in there, because that might actually cause a little bit of damage, especially if you have a very strong current coming out of your shower head. After you're done showering, you just basically dry yourself off, pat around the area, put your clothes back on. And before that, actually, if you have to put any gauze inside your wounds, put that gauze in there, tape it up, cover it up, and then you're all set. So a lot of the difficulties with the first shower, it's all mental. If you've never done it before after surgery, you might be stressed out, but just try to relax, try to enjoy it actually, because you're getting yourself nice and clean, and hopefully after that it'll get a lot easier for you.